But seriously, this is seriously just as easy as painting a wall. I'm not kidding. What is happening? My name is Michael and I'm in between sheds at the moment, which is a good thing because the floods have come again. But with that being said, today would probably be a good day to do a waterproofing video. So let me show you what we're going to be working with today. This is the Rapid Set WaterProofing Mortar Mix, and we're going to waterproof this basement wall. Brand new to the Home Depot. I'm going to tell you all about this product and how to apply it, so let's work with something cool. Now, first of all, I just want to thank my in-laws for letting me borrow their leaky basement because I don't have one. I don't mean I don't have a leaky basement, I don't have a basement at all, so thank you guys. But as you can see, every year around the same time when the torrential rains come, moisture seeps through this concrete block wall. All we're gonna have to do is put 2 coats of the Rapid Set Waterproofing Mortar Mix on, and that's gonna be a thing of the past. Now, just like with any project, it starts with good prep. Clean, free of loose debris, free of paint. I got really lucky with this wall. This is not paint. This is a masonry coating that was put on by the builder, and it's very sound, it's not flaky, so we're good here. But you're also going to want to tarp the area because this is gonna get messy. One of the many reasons why I'm doing this video is because, do you remember the parging videos that I did on the mortar mix and the cemental? Well, I got a lot of questions about, does that actually waterproof the wall as well? No, it does not. But that's what this product specializes in doing. So let's go over the specs of this product and what it actually does. So this product goes on 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch thick, and you gotta do it in 2 layers for it to be waterproofing. But what's extra cool about this product is that not only does it go interior, but it actually goes exterior as well, and goes below grade. And that's a big deal, because since this product is polymer modified, not only can it take hydrostatic pressure from the backside, but it can also take hydrostatic pressure from the outside as well. And that's why it can go interior, exterior. You can do basements, foundations, retaining block wall, tilt up concrete. I don't even know what that is. Cast in place concrete, precast concrete. It does it all. The stuff is pretty amazing. Now, you can actually apply this product in 3 different ways. You can actually brush it on with a masonry brush. You can trowel it on just like any other mortar mix. Or you can do what we're gonna do today, and we're going to apply it with a paint roller. You just use a regular paint roller, but you wanna use a 3/8 inch nap. Now, one thing I did do is I bought a regular hair roller, and I also bought a microfiber roller. I'm gonna try both to see which one works better. Now, the mixing ratio with this is 5 quarts of water to 7 quarts of water per 50-pound bag. So if you're planning on troweling this product, you're gonna wanna be closer to the 5-quart mix, and if you're going to roll it like we're gonna do, you wanna be closer to the 7-quart mix. But basically, you mix it up to whatever consistency you want, as long as you're within that ratio. Now, before I mix this up, this does have one limitation, and that is you cannot add any admixtures to this. So you can't add, like, say, the flow control or the set control to get some more time. You got about a half-hour work time with this stuff, so make sure you have all your mixing equipment ready to go near the workplace. I can't stress that enough. Also, don't forget to put your drill on low speed. I do that all the time, I forget, and makes quite the mess. No, this is not dry lock. This is actually a cementatious material, but you apply it much like dry lock. And of course, wet the surface down first. Just apply it on like just like you're applying paint. Now, if you notice, I'm going on a 45-degree angle. That's very important, but I'll tell you why we're doing that on the second coat. Full disclosure, guys, never used this product before in my life. But I cannot tell you how simple this really is, as simple as painting a wall. But no lie. All right, well, the first coat is cured. You do have to let the first coat cure for a minimum of 3 hours in order to do the second coat. I left this overnight just, well, simply because I just didn't feel like doing another coat last night. Now, before we mix up the second coat, let's talk about direction. Remember how we went on a 45-degree angle with the first coat? With the second coat, we're gonna do a 45-degree angle, but we're gonna do it in the opposite direction. Now, when you read the back of the bag, it talks about a horizontal direction and a vertical direction. It doesn't matter. As long as both of your directions are perpendicular to each other, it doesn't matter. I choose to do it on a 45-degree angle because it's so much easier to apply. This essentially locks the layers together almost mechanically to form a better bond and to get a nice consistent coating. For the second coat, I'm going to use the microfiber cover and see if this loads up any better or coats any better. We'll see. Installation was super easy. And this is what it looks like 24 hours later. So you can paint this 2 days later after installation, and then it will be able to take hydrostatic pressure after 3 to 5 days, depending on temperatures. Now, I struggled to figure out how to take this product one step further, but I got nothing. But I do want to put this product to the test. All right, so here's our fun little experiment. I've stacked up 3 cinder blocks, I glued them together, I've sealed one side with a waterproofing mortar mix, the other side is not sealed. I've got 2 cameras set up over here to get some really good vantage points of both sides. I've also glued this PVC pipe at the top. Now, it's only 6 feet tall, so I don't know how much hydrostatic pressure I'm really creating here, but this really should prove our point. So let's fill this up with water and see what happens. You guys gotta see this, come on. So, on this side, completely gushing out. I don't know if you can see this very well, but this is just gushing out of this side. This side, dry as a bone. Check that out. That is crazy. Now, it looks like the seal did break over here where the concrete meets the plexiglass on top. Well, concrete doesn't like to stick to plastic, so that's where that's coming from. And it's just running down the front, but that's all that is. Otherwise, check that out. That is just crazy. Well, I ain't no scientist, I ain't no geologist, but I think that was a pretty successful test. And seriously, this is not even 5 minutes later, and I'm already noticing that the water on top here is already starting to dry, which proves to me anyway that this is just water on the surface, so take that for what you will. My final thoughts on the product: phenomenal product. Very, very easy to work with. The wall we did was about 100 square feet. Took me one bag to do that wall, $25 a bag. Not too shabby, although it's not in every Home Depot yet. So get with your local Rapid Set rep and they'll direct you to which store is closest to you that does have the product. If your Home Depot doesn't have it, get on the horn, tell them they need to stock this in your Home Depot. One of the things that I really liked about this product is even though I'm not allowed to use the set control to give myself more working time, I still found that I had plenty of working time. I didn't feel myself pressured to get this stuff done right away, even in spite of the fact that I had to film the whole process. So that was pretty cool. Oh, and I forgot to mention that since this product is polymer modified, you don't need to use any kind of bonding primer for this product. That'll save you time and money right there, and headache. Quick update on the shed situation. So Matt has got my shed all designed, ready to go. He says it's only gonna take 1 day to build this thing. Right now, we're just waiting on the city to approve the permit. And of course, I've gotta lay down some gravel and bring the earth up a little bit. But so we're looking at about mid-October to have the new shed built. I'm so excited. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing so. I promise you won't regret it. And I'll see you in the next one. Pretty cool, right? Thinking about letting it dry out and do it all over again because, well, that's what we do for fun around here.